Nobody run us another KFC, cause RFC is a thing about here. I told you before, it's RFC. Only one and only RFC.
The chicken here better than KFC. The real chicken this.
One RFC. Chicken well finger licking away, you know, now straight. Yes, man. So what we have done over the years.
And RFC, yo, them man a chicken, brother. Just come, sir.
Look out! Oh, watch it till the end, you know. Hey, don't move that dial in the way, though. Hey, go back on it. Story of my life. My life is filled with ups and downs. Story of my life. My life is like a rocky road. Story of my life. RFC again, you know. RFC, one RFC again, you know. Richie, Rich, one RFC again. Some short friend, yeah? Short boss. Him know RFC, you know. So we run the globe.
Real deal, man.
No, we run the group. Food in your soup. Hot stove.
33 Giltress Street.
It's very easy, you know. Me and I gonna come to comment no more, Jan.
What rock up the wire, man?
Four the wing, they make them stung properly, yeah?
Four, let them sit down.
Yeah.
Where the season to the bone?
Come on, this is the favorite song prayer, DP Combs. Come on, promoting the breeder roads. Come on, that kind of ice cream parlor, 33 Giltress Street, to feel the immune system and the sexual fountain, all the fountains of your body. Come on, breeder roads is available at John's Ice Cream Parlor, 33 Giltress Street.
RFC to the world. No.
The RFC to the
I'm a success story. RFC to the world. Saying, walking ATM. Oh, yeah. Already, man. Already.
Raw one then. Cheaper. But it's chicken fried and inside Jamaica, you know.
One RFC, we at the street, champ the mark of the base. No, one RFC. Chicken well finger licking away, you know, now straight. Yeah, man. Money. Yes, man. Hey, people, I want to look for that thing right to the end, you know. You know what I mean? Watch the thing right down to the end, kind of normal thing and a formal thing, and I'm telling you already now. I told you before, it's RFC. Only one and only RFC. Nobody run us another KFC, cause RFC is a thing about here. Rollington Town to the world. East to the world.
Ice cream parlor, 33 Giltress Street, to build the immune system and the sexual function, all the functions of your body. Come on.
Load him up to the film.
Yeah, man, I watch this people. I don't want to feel like a hype thing or a just come thing. This is how we have done over the years. loading this a fryer to the capacity. That's something we do normally. And that's something we are trying to do. That's something we do normally. And I like we are trying to impress somebody. That's something we do normally. This is not something like we're family. That's something we do normally.
Yeah. Load him up to the brim. Come on, man.
Just sticking up.
This man sell more chicken than KFC. If you don't believe a lie me I tell, just watch this video.
One go. One go. Yeah. 100 people we can kick away when time we fry one batch. You see me?
Just
yeah,
like
man, what you talk about? Yeah, one batch. Pull it.
Pull up and now, man.
Yeah?
I'm gonna set up. Pull up and now.
Yeah, full up, man. Full up, man. Hey, 189 pieces of chicken we are dropping on this. Alright, if you don't believe you can count them when they come out.
Load up the fryer to the brim. 108, what is it, 189 piece?
Yeah.
One time the money had the baddest chicken fryer in the entire Jamaica. Just look on this if you don't think a joke.
And if you don't believe you can count them when they come out back, I will add more too. Yeah. Bring them name final destination and them are going last. Alright, see it now, this name closer play now.
I say I close him down now.
Yeah, the last 2 pieces are going.
5 minutes after this drop, just check back the pan, dirt bombs, and then a girl thing.
Yeah,
Millions, RFC, yo, the man a chicken, brother.
Yeah.
There's some circle.
Yeah, fully RFC, millions RFC to the world, diamonds to the pearl.
So I cashed in from early for my chicken, you know.
Chicken just gone in.
Wait,
Yeah,
you catch
man.
in from early?
Yeah, man.
Watch a man you catch in from early, one catch first position.
Man.
Money in a bag.
Can't wait finish, you know.
Can't come out back.
Wait on the pot.
We have my life. My life is filled with ups and downs. Story of my life. My life is like a rocky road. Story of my life. I show the smile and hide the frown. Story of my life. It ain't easy, I don't know. Darkness in my life, yeah. Everything I do is fail. I've been in this dungeon, trying to find the light of day. Is that the man who works harder? Is the man who works and save? Don't judge a book by the cover. Take time to turn the page. Story of my life. My life was filled with ups and downs. Story of my life was filled with ups and downs. Yeah, man, we are making the bed. We are making the bed right now for putting the chicken in. Proper, clean, nice, right bed for the chicken, you know? Yeah. So many crime in the street. No. The youth them the
Too much man they are jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they are jail a empty shit pail. Woman cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get no warning but still don't hear. Now you facing your time in jail. I don't get the money to keep my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate up in Kingston. So many crime in the street. Things them now with the police. All I see is government and jail. Not even know what I want. Everywhere me turn to a war. So me stay far from government and jail.
Too much man they are jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they a jail a empty shit jail. Mama cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get the warning but still don't hear. Now you facing your time in jail. So many crime in the street. The youth them now wanna please. All I see is government jail. My gun, like water, so much better run. Crime rate up in Kingston. What be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 when Babylon a come. When this war will done, say our daughters and our sons. So many crime in the street. The youth them now want a peace. All I see is coffin and jail. Nothing to know what I want. I don't get the money to give my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate up in a Kingston. What be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 men Babylon a come. When this war will done, say our daughters and our sons.
How long, Max?
The youth them now wanna be. All I see is government jail. Nothing I know what I want. Everywhere me turn to a war. So I stay far from government jail.
Too much man they a jail from a day you no hear. No see the judge and still no get bail. Enough they a jail a empty shit jail. Mama cry when she see her son behind rail.
Get the warning but still don't hear. Now you facing it. I don't get the money to give my gun. Like water, so much blood I run. Crime rate up in a Kingston. But be a man them now put it down. All I feel man them now run. Stand up with the 16 men Babylon a come. That's what I'm done.
That's a rotation.
Rotation period right now. That's my rotation.
It's named rotation period.
That's my rotation period is.
Alright.
No raw chicken. This called rotation period. The fryer load to the brim. But this man have a technique when use. This is it right now. This is called rotation period. So those what they on top are come out right now and go down at the bottom and down. And that what them what they down at the bottom actually coming up on top. Crazy vibe.
Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch this now. Crazy. No. Anytime I hear.
Yo, MG. Yeah, man, let's snap right. Go ahead, we're not fixing it. Yeah, man. Want something? No, I'm not ready.
I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you.
When I come out nice and last.
I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough and I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. See the struggles you've been through, baby. Family's staring their backs and you, yeah. Never get to finish schooling. I will help you with them subjects. Don't worry, I'll be there when you go. Whatever you ask me for, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough times I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. Spend money in you to a nursing school. Never know what for you. Don't play no games, kids. I'm no fool. Just know my love is true. Just know my
I'll be your soldier. Stand by your side, my lover. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough and I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. See the struggles you've been through, baby. Mommy's turning their back and you, yeah. Never get to finish schooling. I will help you with them subjects. Don't worry, I'll be there when you go. Whatever you ask me for, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Come on, my boss. I'll care for you. Look that song. Baby, I'll care for you. I'll look in that song. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Okay. Rough and I'll care for you. One hour alone can do it. Spend money and you doing nothing too. Never know what fun for you. Alright, alone can do it. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough and I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. See the struggles you've been through, baby. Families turn their backs and you, yeah. Never get to finish schooling before. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. Rough and I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. Spend money and you doing nursing school. Never know what's for you. Don't play no games, cause I'm no fool. Just know my love is true. Just know my love. I'll be there for you whenever. Baby, when you call I answer. Never delay to be I wonder. For you I'll be your soldier. Stand by your side, my lover. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you.
Let me get ready. Let me get ready to go.
Rough and I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you.
Ready to go.
You've been through,
ROADSIDE. ROADSIDE to the world.
Finish schooling. I will help you with them subjects. Don't worry, I'll be there when you call. Whatever you ask me for, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. You know that I'll be there for you. I'll care for you, baby. I'll care for you. I'll be there for you.
They say work with the weight of the chicken.
Yeah, man, work with the weight of the chicken, man. Not the looks.
Yeah.
Not the looks. When we are cook food, we don't work with looks. We work with the weight. See the weight of the chicken.
So you know we're ready from one already.
Yeah, we know we're ready from one already. So the weight of the chicken, know if it's ready and well finger licking. You know? Yeah, man, light. When it light, you know, say ready for go road. Yeah, man. Over here. Over here. ROADSIDE to the world. Come on. Well juicy, well juicy, well juicy. This name juicy chicken, well finger licking way. Juicy chicken.
Wow. Just like that. Hey, the play the RFC boss, man.
Yeah, RFC.
And I'm on the new America, you know?
I'm a professional, man. Long time we are this, man.
Wow.
Long time we are this, man.
This man a play when it comes to frying chicken. The man where could wait to the year the man said the man where could wait at the chicken. Crazy, crazy vibe.
One RFC. See that? RFC to the world.
Ready, batch.
Yeah, man, thing ready, but
Whoa.
well hot.
Wow.
Yeah, man, chicken them pretty, man. See like how them look, so them taste. Catch a look. Catch a look. Yeah, my friend. Nice and roll on so see my own chicken and get the phone. Like off my mouth, you know. The piece that broke off. Everything did know. Yeah. One pound of chicken and every piece of this finger licking. And what me say? 1 pound of chicken and every piece of this finger licking. Yeah, man. One RFC. Yeah. Yeah, so it's a chicken fry from 3 bills. Then we go down to 250 and simmer him down, get him tender and nice. You understand me I say? And we flick him up back to 300, 350 fries we are going to fry. You have to fry up on the temperature there. So you don't have no oil in it, yeah? See it now? Listen to the sound. RFC, boss. RFC to the world. Millions, boss for every boss.
Crazy vibes when you come here at RFC in Rollington Town. On Giltress Street, I tell you, no, I'm going to get that vibe because this man is always that jovial, even when he cook. Crazy, crazy authentic vibes out here, man. Pure chicken a fry, fries a fry. Whoa.
Nice story. Success story.
Only God knows all the pain I feel. Like away in the penitentiary. 5 or 6 months was real. Couldn't get to see my first mom, but God was there for him. What they meant for bad turned out just good for me. I'm a success story. Yes, I'm a success story. No, I'm a success story. What's the now? I'm a success story.
Golden brown we're going now. Golden brown we're going, you got chips now. Or you got chips when you got saggy. We got golden brown.
No oil.
Yes, no oil. See, when you squeeze it, finger dry. Yeah. Just like that.
You wearing that ketchup, right? Come on, up and ready, my boss. Up and ready. RFC. For real. See it?
Yeah, my bread you want tie. Drop some more chips like that. Pepper it, you know. Rollington Town. That's it. That is it. Soft, man. Them this, you know. Them I eat, you know. Every day.
It's a 1 RFC.
Every day.
Oh.
Very partner, no. One yard life. One RFC to the world. Reaching millions fully. We're not normal. What thing not formal? Damn, nigga. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, cause yeah man, they are one.
Small box, how much is that like that?
Only 7. 7 for 1, yeah. Come on, see that man. Yeah. What part of the chicken, every part finger licking. Alright. Oh, they look like I read recipe, but remember say me a cook. Yeah. No, yeah, moment. Cheapies. Leg tie and wing. So the salt man fries taste good now because without the proper right amount of salt on the fries, if it's fresh, it's not gonna taste good.
I have too salt.
If it's too salt, worse.
Oh yeah.
Hang on. I got one for me then. I have to remember, you know, RFC is a one-man band, you know. Me alone work. Cause no chicken with the jerk. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man.
I will have a natural juice on the ends also. Yeah, we have the beetroot, we have kind, and we have a thinking toe magnum punch.
It's a thinking
but
toe.
we have all different flavor in season. So high all natural. You can check it out online. Yeah, to Friday. Friday. Friday, I mean Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday.
No, for fries to get on the kernel and see the whole heap of fries to get on the kernel. Kernel give about 10 pieces of fries, watch out. We give about 30 pieces and 40.
But the other them just are coming so. Never out.
No, they're coming like crazy, man.
Wow.
It's a double box. Juicy. Pizza. Pizza. You want hip like you?
Yeah, I like rib.
You like what?
I like rib and I like thigh.
Like and thigh, what about that? Yeah. Yes, baby.
Good man, this.
7 and 9. 13.
Oh yeah.
Damn, baby. Yeah, man. I'm not United. I tell you, so that girl that pretty man I eat RFC chicken. Yeah, no, come on, one and only RFC.
RFC to the world.
Yeah, come on. Hi, baby.
Spicy one. That one they recommend the pie? This one?
Beg your leg, beg your wing now, my friend. Can't beg your wing from the KFC, yeah, so. You miss no begging. They're not real chicken, that's what I'm begging. A real chicken, you're saying, my general, last time. I said, my general, you're not begging the wing. Beg your back.
Yes, yes.
All right, baby. More again. Oh, you want? Yeah, go over here. Over here. Where's the darling? There? Yeah. Just please. What's going on? Is it gone? Check out that leg now. You must say, you know his name.
RFC.
RFC to the world.
One of the wickedest chicken seller in the whole entire Kingston. This man pack him fryer to the brim. I mean, I tell her, this chicken come out so perfect. Just look on this. Every minute, a batch of fries after your fry. This is how the man do it, man. RFC. Roll. Right on Giltress Street, Rollington Town. Crazy, authentic chicken frying out here. RFC to the world. Wow, this is a vibe here in Rollington Town. People from all about pull up just to get them chicken, them fries and chicken on a Friday and a Saturday. That's the vibe out here. Yeah, mom. More fries on the drop. Look at that.
Still on your leg line. Soft.
More fries. Crazy RSC drive. Chicken fry, oh, nice. Soak right through, down to the bone, season down to the bone. Crazy vibes, man.
Constant selling, non-stop. You know you got. Y'all get time and win now and here. 1800. Yeah, man.
She's all alone, can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long, can't wait just to get it on. I need you and no one else. I've been here all by myself. Baby girl, it's been a while. From on you on my mind, babe. Got me thinking about you, baby. How we gonna be today? I'll take that light, bring your bucket up. I'm feeling you all over me, inside me and outside. Oh, I'm so crazy, baby. I got a phone call from my baby, she's all alone. Can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long. Can't wait just to get it on. I need you and no one else. I've been here all by myself. Baby girl, it's been a while. From morning on my mind, babe. Got me thinking about you, baby. How it's gonna be today? I'll tell you that I like when you back it up. Your friend's position, close and lock it up. Baby, break it down, baby, take it slow. Baby, take it easy.
Godfather.
Take it easy. I got a phone call from my baby, she's all alone. Can't wait just to get it on. I've been here all by myself. It's been so long. Can't wait just to get it on.
One man band. Come in here. Yeah, boss. No, you look at yellow back. Non-stop chopping. This is the way me chop the lines. Yeah, non-stop. One next one, breast. Thigh, alright. RFC to the world, one RFC. Yeah, I got it right. Rib, you know? RFC to the world. One RFC. Yeah man, Vibe Master in the house, on a rat and a mouse. Come up front, Slimman. Well, Slimman, you are the winner. Yeah, again. Chips only, and no macaroni.
I don't work with you.
No, I'm not working with you either. Fat sauce, that's enough.
Alright, chef, the chicken and run out in space a minute.
No, tell him, man. No time, man.
Yeah, man, do help me.
Yeah, man. She will put chicken in. Second batch. 1 million boss, RFC to the world, 1 million boss.
I know you know to please me, baby. I know to please the lady. So special, I adore. Her dessert to find. Let's have some fun this time.
Chase my fears away. Just a little tenderness at the end of the day. All I need to chase my fears away.
Lingering thoughts To take me to the comfort zone, the secret place you have at home. I know you know to please me, baby, and I know to please the lady. So special I adore. Baby girl, you look so fine. Baby, you blow my mind. A little comfort is hard to find. Let's have some fun this time.
Just a little tenderness at the end of the day. All I need to chase the fears away.
Everything we are put in now, when I left nothing out the door. Everything are going empty. I empty the bucket. Empty. Empty bucket, see there? Empty bucket. Yeah man, empty bucket. Oh, so we do it. RFC way. Only for people gather up. Yeah man. Double box. The double box one. Oh, the box $1,300. I can't show if you all of it. Buy the $900 one. The long box. I want this one. Leg. Long box.
No, not too tight.
Rich, millions, fully, video again. It's on the steamer, I drop on the steamer upon it now. Dead. Steamer, RFC to the world. Rich. Millions for days. Millions for days, rich. 100 millions. You know how the game go, you see. Love your people, YouTube people. Love them. Fans for life. Love them, my fans them. Yeah man. See it?
Never hype with none where we have now.
rotation.
Yeah, rotation period back again. Yeah man, fully rotating. And if you know, chef them all over the world if you know the rotation period something you know. See me? And nobody teach me this you know. You see me? I learn it out of my own brain. You see me? Yeah man. God teach me that something you know.
So God teach you that something.
Holy Ghost teach me that something you know. Hold on. Hold on. Chicken and him.
Golden
Golden
man.
brown.
Real man.
Fully golden. Fully golden brown. Yeah man, I mean, catch me like my bad. Fully golden brown, RFC to the world. RFC, one RFC to the world. Rich, millions, fully. Yeah man, see there? We are show the colonel what chicken you can fry in a one fryer. Colonel never did them something yet. Fried chicken, more chicken in one fryer. And 100 somebody can get through. What's that? Blue Mountain pig. Yeah, the colonel. No, can't fry some more chicken in one fryer. Look on it, Blue Mountain pig. And every part of them are chicken are sweet. Look how we do it. Blue Mountain pig. Yeah, power now.
That chicken here better than KFC. The real chicken this. Street side chicken, yeah.
RFC.
Yeah, RFC.
Yeah, roadside fried chicken. No KFC.
Yeah, Blue Mountain pig. See there? Blue Mountain pig we go with chicken. You ever see KFC go Blue Mountain pig with chicken so yet?
You want the recipe?
Okay.
You get the recipe of the KFC, I don't know you're mad.
The little chef them from KFC can vex when me call KFC name, you see. A RFC boss is millions boss. You know we do the thing. And I hype not show off in our boss and we not chat like we vice course, but watch it. Chicken them, look on them. We speak for itself. The bar no close. And nothing turn up. Girl, roll out. Mama. Bang!
Walk out, nigga, walk out. Here we a boy and a girl a talk about. Walk out, nigga, walk out. Bank book full of money plus never in a show. Walk out, mama walk out. And I got you to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You don't see them just together when you start out. So girl I hype up on the barrel and them just lip on them face so it never alligator. Them like coming like peas under pressure. Half magic taking them in up on a stretcher. She a go and girl like you a live better. In a girl living shorts and sweater. Then you want them money with a man to give you dollar. Half girl like road and you be man ragga. Walk out nigga walk out. Here we a boy and a girl a talk about. Walk out nigga walk out. Bank book full of money purse never in a show. Walk out, mama walk out. Them a got you to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You don't see them that together when you start out. First class pamphlet when you fly out. Anyway you touch in this lava out. The way you something tight, rich man I cry out. Can you get going on me baby? Some girl life miserable so them run away. You and your man gone cruise for the holiday. Say them a mix up, no listen when nobody say. Them a chip on fun, you got the remedy. And the way you wind up your body, like you're open mad somebody. But some other girl want girl you hobby. You watch up a top and then girl lay a scabby. Anywhere you go, girl you acting on your clothes. Hair well done, your nails and your toes. And walk out, me girl walk out. Bang, fuck, full of money, purse never in a drought. Walk out, mama walk out. When my country to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You know see them dirty girl when you start out. Walk out, mama walk out. When my country to them see your life start out. So you like up on a barrel and them just Lip on them face so it fever alligator. Them life coming like peas and a pressure. Last man she take me arm end up on a stretcher. She a go and girl like you a live better. In a girl with V shorts and sweater. You know one money with a man to give you $1. Girl a road and I hit him on the radar. Walk out, me girl walk out. Here we a boy and I gotta talk about. Walk out, me girl walk out. Bank book full of money, purse never in a drought. Walk out, mama walk out. Them a graduate to them see your life start out. Walk out, mama walk out. You just sit in the together when you start out. First class palm plane when you fly out. Anywhere you touch in this Hawaii out. Birds are them run away. Style when you do this, isn't it? No, style. Can't get the style and style are too tough.
You alone?
No, rotation period, man, madman and maddest thing in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, I alone.
Yeah, man, I alone am style a lot. No, for rotate thing then. While the bottom come on top, while the top go the lower part of the fry, Hold on a minute, I'm going to pay me. Hold on. Million, up there. Stop. Yeah, man. See ya. Second round, you see it? Full up. RFC to the world. Our chicken well finger licking. Foot side ripping when them are skinny dipping. Ain't chipping. Boxes from boxes, the fries we pull. Like a chuck from country all and a pull. When I fry, when I fry the fry, I get everything here. Like chicken in a box already.
Where's that? Oh, it's not. Are we? Wait, like you want to eat, right?
Yeah, can't like it, bro.
Oh, what you want? When this shell down, and it must, we're sending for more. Oh man, alright man. Body have it number. Number 6. Yo. Oh no. No. Yeah, that's it. You look at me. Alright. There it's up. Number 5, number 7. 7. Leg and wing, 7.
You need them? I want that too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't go for me any of this. You got the PS piece already still.
That's
different
what I
style
want to
again.
do.
Yeah, different style again. Yo, you don't know, you know. Fully. Chop where chop the line, that style, you know. Yeah, man. Chicken and chips way, you know. So we chop the line and make the millions, you know. Yeah, man. RFC to the world. Fully millions. Rich. All out. Yeah, man, your program na normal. Man, that thing na formal, you know. You know. Look out. Oh, watch it till the end, you know. Hey, don't move that dial in the way, though. Hey, go back on it. Go back on it. Put my back in, man. Lift them, man. Put it in, man. Well, something nice.
RFC, Rollington Town, one of the wickedest chicken in the entire Kingston. This man fried chicken, ton loads, more than even KFC, me I tell you, and I just one person and the amount of chicken what the man fried. Crazy authentic vibe. So you know we dive in a piece already, but you know we can't leave, and we see the man fry the first batch and the second batch, and this is from out of the we actually taste from out of the first batch and we are going at the second batch. Whoa. RFC chicken, Rollington Town, crazy. Come the sauce them. Come get the sauce them, bro. Come get the sauce. Come on time with me, can get the sauce them. Yes. a bag of people just crowd up around here just come get the fries and the chicken on a Friday and on a Saturday, I tell you. Crazy authentic vibe. Would have to forward back to come get some more of the fries and the chicken. RFC vibes. Yeah man.